Okay, hello friends, I am Heena Wani and I am going to take today Olympiad grade 2 maths topic. Okay, so we will proceed. So the very first topic is the introduction of ones, tens, hundreds and thousands in a number. So what is mean by ones, what is mean by tens, what is mean by thousand, what is meant by 100. So see, if we'll take two digit number, any two digit number we are going to consider. So the two digit number is 52. So in the number 52, this 2 is known to be kept in a unit place and the 5 is in the 10th place. Okay, so if I ask that how many units are there in or how many ones are there in the number 52, so there are two units in number 52 and there are five tens in number 52. 5 tens means 5 multiplied by 10 and that is equal to 50. So 10, 10, 10. So group of 10, how many group of 10 are there in the number 52? So there are 5 group of 10 in the number 52. So this is ones and tens. Now if we move ahead to 100, so we'll consider three digit number. So our three digit number is 623, for example. Or in this 52, if we add here at 100th place 6. So here how many hundreds are there in the number 652 or number 623? So there are, we say ki there are 6 hundreds in the number 652 or the number 623. Why? Because if we don't consider here 5 and 2 and just consider 600, so you can see ki the number is 600. So 6 times we take the group of 100 things to become 600. So there are 600s in the number 652. And if someone asks us in the example that how many hundreds are there in this number, or which is the number which is placed on the hundredth place, so the number is 6. Okay, so from right to left we consider the very most right number is in the unit place. After that, towards right successively, the 10th position is there and then 100th position is there, and after 100 on the left side there is 10,000 position. Okay, so 1000 means 30 on any number. Okay, so if the number is 7235, so this is 4 digit number, and this number if we name the places from 5, so 5 is at unit place, that is 1 place, 3 is at 10 place, 2 is at 100 place and 7 is at 1000 place. Okay, so how many thousands are there in the number? If the question is asked like this, then you can say there are 7,000 in this number, or we can write this number in the expanded form as 7,000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 5, and this expanded form clearly gives us the idea of how many thousands are there, how many hundreds are there, how many tens are there and how many ones are there. So this is only the theme of this chapter. Okay, so same thing is mentioned in the description, and we have to identify the number in the 10th position or in the 100th place, or we have to find the nearest to the 10, nearest to the 100. So as we take the examples, we can go through it. Okay, some solve examples will take shortly, and then we'll ahead to solve the exercise. Okay, so the we'll move to the solved problem first. One or two solved problems we will take, and then we'll directly move to the practice exercise. So here in the first problem, we have to identify at the digit at the place of ones in 98 and 75. On the basis of that, find the true statement out of the option given below. So you all know that extreme right position is a unit place, and after that it is tens place. So which number is there at the ones place? So in the 98, 8 is there, and in the 75, 5 is there. Okay, now we'll see the option. 9 is a digit at the ones place in the 98, so this statement is wrong because 9 is at 10th position. 7 is a digit at the ones place in the number 75, so again this is wrong because 7 is again at the 10th position. 5 is not at the place of ones in the 75, so again this statement is also wrong because 5 is at the place of ones. Now 8 is the digit at the place of ones in the 98 number, so yes, 8 is the digit which is at the ones place in the number 98, so our option is option D. So we have to think like this, and we have to solve the problem like this. So again the second example is there. What is the common digit at the place of ones in the number 26, 36, 56 and 86? So the simple question it is, so which number is at unit place in the number 26? So just give the places ka name, 10 unit, 10 unit, unit 10, or go through the right unit and 10. Okay, now you can see here is 6 at the unit place, here is 6 at the unit place, here is 6 at the unit place, and here is also 6 at the unit place. So all the numbers ones place is filled with the same number, and that is 6. So our answer is C, 6. Okay, now nearest 10. Okay, so here round off 19 to its nearest 10. Nearest 10. So how we can say that which 10 is near to 19? So there are two options always. The previous 10 and the after wala. Okay. So 19, the number 19 is in between 10 and 20, which are tens. 10 is also 10 and 20 is also one of the 10. Okay, in which there are two tens. Okay, so 19 is in between 10 and 20. So which option we have to choose, 10 or 20? So which is near? So here is the difference of only one number. If we add 1 to 19, we got the number 20. But here we have to add 9 ones to this 10 to get the 19. So 9 is greater than 1. So which is nearer to the 19, which is 20. Okay, we have to think like this, which one is nearer. So if suppose if the number is 50, 1 second. So for this question our answer is 20, but just for a better understanding I will just explain you that if the number is 24, okay, now which 10 is near to the 24? So there are two options always, the 10 which come before 24 and the 10 which will come after 24. So before 24 20 will come, and after 24 30 will come. Now this number 24, to go to the 20, how many numbers we have to subtract? 4. And to become 30, we have to add 6 numbers. So which place is near? 20 is near, because we just need 4 numbers to go to 20, and we need 6 numbers to go to 30. So nearest 10 to 24 is 20. Okay, not 30. So you have to think like this, so you can get the answer. Now 53. 53 is rounded to the nearest 10. We have to find. So again two options are there, 50 or either 60. Now you can easily say that 53 is near to 50, because only 3-digit difference is there, and here the difference is of 7 digits. So our answer is option D. Okay. Now same for the 3-digit number. And 150 means, suppose the number is in between 100 to 200. So if the number is lesser than 150, so it is near to 100. If the number is greater than 150, then it is near to 200. Okay. Now we'll directly move to practice exercise. We will solve the sums, and you also try it at home. And after trying at home, only you can watch the uh, video completely. Before this part, you just go through the concept, and then you try to solve the practice exercise on your own. And if you are not able to solve any sum, or you, for better understanding, if you want, you can go through this practice exercise to cross check your answer. Okay, so now the first question is, in 43, the digit at ones place we have to identify. So the number is 43. Here 3, from the right we will name the digit. This is unit place and this is tens place. So which number is at ones place? Which is 3. So our answer is option D. Okay. Now the next one. What is the tens digit in the number 124? Now the number is 3-digit number. So it has hundredth place, it has tens place, and it has ones place. So first you name the places: unit, 10 and 100. Now they had asked us 10th place digit. So which number is at tens place? So it is 2. So our answer is option B. Now the next one is, read the statement given below to pick up the true one. Now we have to read the questions carefully, because it is slight jumbling is there in the question. 12 has 3 ones. Now see, the number is 12 and they said that it has 3 ones. Now the 12 number, this is unit place and this is tens place. So unit place, digit which belongs to unit place is 2. Unit place is also known as ones place. So the number belongs to ones place is 2. And they had said that 3 is at ones place. So this statement is wrong. 12 has 4 ones. This is also wrong, because we know that 12 has 2 ones. C also not there. 12 has 2 ones. Yes, it has 2 ones. So option D is the correct answer. Now the next one. Identify the digit at the tens place. Now we have already taken one example related to 3-digit number. So you can solve this example. Okay. Digit at 100 place also you can solve, as we had given the position name to the number, which is unit, which is tens, which is 100. So you can solve it easily. We'll move to next question. Now the next question is, choose the false statement. We have to choose here false statement, not a true statement. Okay. Now 534 has 5 tens. Now see, the number is 534. Now carefully name the places: unit or ones, 10 and 100. Now what is given in the first statement? 534 has 5 tens. Now see, the number 534 has 3 tens. So the first statement is wrong or false. And we have to identify the false statement only. So our answer is answer A. But sometimes all the above is there in the option. So we have to go through all the options carefully. Okay. Sometimes two options are there, A and B or C and D. So you have to go through all the options and then you have to confirm your answer. Now 534 has 500. Yes, 534 has 500. This statement is true, but we don't want the true statement. We want the false statement. 534 has 3 tens. Yes, it is also true. It has 3 tens. And 534 has 4 ones. Yes, it has 4 ones. So B, C, D, all the statements are true. So our answer is answer A, which is false. Now the next is, which one of the following is rounded to the nearest 10 for 86? Now as I had told you that the number is 86. So it has two options which are near to 86. The first one is 80. The 100 come before 86. Sorry, the 10 which come before 86 and the 10 which come after 86. Now which is nearer? 86 is nearer to 90 or 86 is nearer to 80. So see, it has to go back 6 steps to come to 86 and only 4 steps to go to 90. So which is nearer? 4 steps is nearer rather than 6 steps. So 90 is our answer. So 90 is nearer to or nearest to the 86. Okay. Now, three-digit number, round off 199, its nearest is 200 because only one digit if we add to 199, we got the number 200. But if we go back for 100 or 100 is not there in the option, but we can think of two number only, 100 and 200, which are nearer to 199. So 100 is very far because 99 का difference is there, but only one number का difference is there for the 200. So the nearest 100 is 200. Now which one of the following is rounded to the nearest 10 for 18? You can solve this. So I am not going to take this. This is for your homework. And nearest 100 rounded to 305 also you can solve. So this is also for homework. I hope this very first chapter is very easy, so you can easily understand the concept. And there are two options here, 300 or 400. You have to choose in between 300 or 400, and here also you have to choose in between 10 and 20. So all the best for the very first chapter, which is very easy. But you try to solve at home whichever questions are there for the homework, and subscribe to my channel for more updates and videos.